Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Anil Doshi sir, and today's topic is 5th standard maths expansion, topic number 5, and today we see 5.3. Expansion of a minus b to the whole cube. Okay, now see, a minus b is made up of a minus b multiplied by a minus b to the whole square. आता हा स्क्वेअर आणि हा 1 म्हणजे 3 होतात, बरोबर आहे, रूल्स ऑफ इंडायसिस. नाउ सी a minus b as it is, and a minus b to the whole square means a square minus 2ab, that is the formula a minus b to the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now see, we have to multiply this a to this whole bracket, that means a multiplied by a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and minus b से भी इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, मीन्स माइनस b मल्टीप्लाई बाय a स्क्वेअर मायनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वेअर. म्हणजे काय केलं आपण, पहिल्यांदा या a ने फुल ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय केलं आणि मायनस बी ने पण या फुल ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय. आता आपण सिम्प्लिफाय करू. a:1 आहे, ते काय नाही, म्हणजे a:1 प्लस मल्टिप्लाय बाय a:2 म्हणजे काय येणार, a:3 a क्यूब. ओके, मायनस 2 ॲज इट इज. ओके, a into a, that is a square, and this b as it is. See again, a multiplied by a square, b as it is, plus here a into b square, that is ab square. A into b square is ab square. Again see, a multiplied by b square, ab square, minus b into a square, that means a square b, or we can say b a square. Okay, that is also right. Next is here b into a square b. Now see, minus minus plus. Okay, 2 as it is, a as it is, b multiplied by b, that is b square. See again, 2 as it is, a as it is, b into b is b square. Okay, minus plus minus. Okay, b into b square. See here, b multiplied by b square means 1 plus 2, that is b raised to 3, that is b cube. Okay, now see, a cube as it is. Now minus 2a square b, I write first minus 2a square b, like term together, and this minus a square b, minus a square b. See here, a square b plus ab square. Okay, and this plus 2ab square, and this minus b cube as it is. See, I equate the like terms together. Now see, a cube as it is, minus 2a square b minus 1a square b means minus 3a square b. Okay, and plus ab square plus 2ab square, 1 plus 2, that is 3ab square, and this minus b cube as it is. That means this is the formula for a minus b to the whole cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, or you can take common. Here I write is a cube as it is. I take minus 3ab common. Suppose minus 3ab common, तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बचेगा, a बाहर गया तो a. ओके, मायनस साइन बाहेर काढलं तर ब्रॅकेटचं साइन काय होतं, चेंज होतं ना, प्लसचं काय होणार, मायनस होणार. and 3ab बाहेर गेला म्हणजे काय राहिला, b, and this minus b cube as it is. See, this and is same, a cube minus 3ab, a minus b in minus b cube. If I multiply, then same thing happens, देखो minus 3a square b minus minus plus 3ab square. That means if we take this formula, first formula, that is also right, second one, that is also right. We have to remember these two formula. Okay, now see some questions. First question is 2m minus 5 to the whole cube. Okay, 2m minus 5 to the whole cube. We have to write the formula, that is a minus b to the whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus b cube. That is the formula. Now see here, a is equals to how much? A is equals to 2m. Okay, a means 2m and b means how much? Minus 5, or we can take plus 5 because minus sign is already there, therefore b is 5. Okay, now see we have to substitute the given values. See here, a के बदले 2m, b means 5. Okay, now instead of a we have to write 2m. Okay, a के बदले क्या डाला है? 2m and these 3 as it is minus 3. a means how much? 2m. Okay, a च्या जागी काय टाकला आपण? 2m and this square as it is. b का मतलब कितना है? 5. Okay, plus these 3 as it is. a means 2m. Okay, and b means 5 और उसके ऊपर 2m मीन्स स्क्वायर माइनस b मीन्स 5 एंड ऊपर 3 है तो मतलब क्या आएगा? 3. ओके, नाउ सी अगेन 2 क्यूब, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, m क्यूब इज m क्यूब minus 3 as it is, 2 square means 4 and m square means m square. This multiply by 5 as it is, plus 3 2 जा 6m multiply by 5 square is 25 minus 5 cube is 5 5 जा 25, 5 जा 125 and therefore I write 125 here. Now the next step, 8m cube as it is minus 3 4 जा 12, 12 5 जा 60, m square as it is. Okay, plus 25 6 जा 150, this m as it is and minus 125 as it is. That means this is the expansion of 2m minus 5 to the whole cube. Next question is 4 minus p to the whole cube. Now see here, instead of a we have to write 4. Okay, a is equals to 4 and b is equals to how much? p. b is equals to p. Now a का मतलब क्या है? 4. That means 4 cube. Okay, minus 3 as it is. a means 4, ये square as it is. b means p. b के बदले क्या लिखना है? p plus 3 as it is. a का मतलब क्या है? 4. b का मतलब क्या है? p square माइनस b का मतलब क्या है? p और a क्यूब as it. Now 4 क्यूब मीन्स 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64. Okay, minus 3 as it is multiply by 4 square is 16 into p as it is plus 3 4 जा 12, इथे स्क्वेअर नाही आहे नुसतंच आहे, into p square as it is minus p cube as it is. Now see again 64 as it is minus 16 3 जा 48p plus 12 into p square that is 12p square minus p cube as it is, and this is the expansion of 4 minus p to the whole cube. Now see next question is 7x minus 9y to the whole cube. Now see a means 7x and b means 9y. Now instead of a I write 7x and this cube as it is minus 3. a का मतलब क्या है? 7x to the whole square. b म्हणजे काय आहे? 9y as it is plus these 3 as it is. a means 7x, b means 9y to the whole square minus b means 9y to the whole cube. I substitute the values of a and b. Now 7 का क्यूब कितना आता है? 7 7 जा 49, 7 जा 3 6 343, 343 x क्यूब, x का क्यूब x क्यूब minus 3 as it is 7 square is 49 into, sorry, x square is multiply by x square multiply by 9y as it is. परत एकदा बघा, 3 as it is, 7 square is 49, x square is x square, 9y as it is. This is the sign of multiplication. Okay, plus here 3 sevens are 21x as it is, multiply by 9 का स्क्वायर है 81 एंड y का स्क्वायर, y का स्क्वायर कितनी है तो y स्क्वायर माइनस 9 क्यूब, 9 9 जा 81, 81 9 जा 9 1 जा 9, 9 8 जा 72, that is 729 y cube. Okay, now this 343 x cube as it is. Now 49 3 जा, that is 147, no, multiply by 9, 9 7 जा 63, 6 carry, 9 4 जा 36 plus 6 42, 4 carry, 9 1 जा 9 plus 4 13, that is this is equals to minus 1323, this x square as it is, y as it is. See again, 49 3 जा 147 multiply by 9. Okay, now plus, now here 81 multiply by 21, do it yourself. 81 multiply by 21, 81 into 21, answer is 1701. Okay, 81 multiplied by 21 is 1701. Okay, 1701. Now minus this 729 y cube as it is, and this is the expansion of 7x minus 9y to the whole cube. Now next question is 58 cube. Okay, I write here 58 cube. 58 means here 60, nearest number is 60 minus 2 to the whole cube. Okay, 58 means 60 minus 2 to the whole cube. That means A means 60 and B means 2. Now instead of A we have to write 60, 60 cube. Okay, minus 3, A का मतलब कितना है 60, this square as it is. B means 2, B के बदले हमने क्या डाला 2, plus 3 as it is. A means 60, B value of B is 2 and this square as it is, minus B means 2 and this cube as it is. Okay, then see here 60 cube, 6 का cube आता है 216. Okay, 6 6 जा 36, 6 जा, that is 216. I write here first 216 आणि 10 का क्यूब आता है 30, 1 2 3. रिमेंबर 10 चा क्यूब येतो 30, 20 चा क्यूब 60, 30 क्यूब is 90, 40 क्यूब is 12, 3 times 216000 minus 3 multiply by 60 square is 6 square is 36, 10 का square 20 and this multiply by 2 as it is. Okay, multiply by 2 plus 63 जा 180 multiply by 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. Now see again 216000 minus 36 2 जा 72, 72 3 जा, नहीं तो 36 3 जा कितना आता है 108, 108 2 जा 216, 21600 plus 18 4 जा 72, that is 720 minus 8. अभी पहले क्या करते हैं, प्लस प्लस का एडिशन में कितना आएगा 216000 plus 720, that means 216720. That is the addition of this number and this number. Now add these two number and subtract from this number. 216, that is 216 0 0 plus 8 8 0 8. Now see answer is 10 minus 8, 2, 1, okay, 7 minus 6, that is 1, 6 minus 1, 5, 21 minus 2, 19, that is the last answer is 195, 112, that is the square cube of 58. Now see, next question is 2p minus 1 upon 2p whole cube. Okay, here a is equals to 2p. Okay, a is equals to 2p and b is equals to 1 upon 2p. Now see carefully, instead of a we have to write 2p cube minus 3 as it is. a means 2p, b square as it is, b का मतलब है 1 upon 2p. okay, प्लस 3 एज इट इज. ए का वैल्यू है 2p, बी का वैल्यू है 1 अपॉन 2p और ये स्क्वायर एज इट इज, स्क्वायर हाइट ऐसा माइनस बी मीन्स 1 अपॉन 2p and this cube as it is. I substitute the given values for a and b. Now see again, 2 cube is 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8, p cube is p cube minus 3 as it is. okay, minus 3 into 2 square is 4. p square का मतलब होता है p multiply by p 2 times, is it right, into 1 as it is upon these 2p as it is, plus 3 into 2p as it is multiply by 1 square means 1 upon 2p square means 2p multiply by 2p कितना टाइम, 2 टाइम, स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 2 वेळा लिहितो बरोबर, मायनस 1 क्यूब इज 1, 2 क्यूब इज 8, p cube means p cube. okay, now here which is cut, p gets cancelled, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, again 2p gets cancelled, remaining is 8p cube. okay, minus 3 2 are 6, 6 1 are 6, again see 3 2 are 6, 6 1 are 6 and this p as it is, plus 3 multiplied by 1 that is 3 divided by this 2p as it is, minus 1 upon 8p cube. This is the cube of 2p minus 1 upon 2p to the whole cube. Now next question is 1 minus 1 upon a to the whole cube. Now see here a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 1 upon a. Now see a means what, 1 cube minus 3, a means 1 square, b means 1 upon a plus 3, a का वैल्यू है 1, b means 1 upon a to the whole square minus b means 1 upon a to the whole cube. Now see here 1 cube is 1 minus 3 into 1 square is 1 multiply by 1 that is 1 minus 3 1 are 3 upon this a as it is. See again, 1 plus 1 plus square काय होतो 1 multiply by 1 1, 3 1 are 3 plus here also 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3 upon a as it is minus 1 cube is 1 and a cube is a cube, that is 1 minus 1 upon a to the whole cube is equals to 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a minus 1 upon a cube. Now see again 1 cube is 1 cube minus 3 into 1 into 1 3 upon a plus 3 1 जा 3 1 जा 3 as it is. A square is here, ये मैं भूल गया था, a square and minus 1 cube is 1, a cube is a cube. See here 3 1 जा 3, 1 square is 1, 3 1 जा 3 and a square is a square. Okay, that is your last answer. That means 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Next question is x upon 3 minus 3 upon x to the whole cube. Now here a is equals to x upon 3 and b is equals to 3 upon x. Okay. Now a means what? X upon 3 to the whole cube minus 3. a का वैल्यू है x upon 3. दी स्क्वायर एज इट इज. b मीन्स b का वैल्यू क्या है 3 अपॉन x प्लस 3 एज इट इज. a मीन्स x अपॉन 3. b मीन्स 3 अपॉन x टू द होल स्क्वायर माइनस b मीन्स 3 अपॉन x टू द होल क्यूब. नाउ सी अगेन x क्यूब इज x क्यूब. 3 cube is 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27 minus 3 as it is. Now see again x square is x square. Okay, then 3 square is 9. See again x square is x square, 3 square is 9 multiply by 3 upon x. क्या है वो 3 upon x plus here 3 and 3 gets cancel. ऊपर नीचे रहता है तो क्या होता है कैंसल. दैट मीन्स प्लस x एज इट इज मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 स्क्वायर इज 9 अपॉन x स्क्वायर इज x स्क्वायर. हियर 3 स्क्वायर इज 9, x स्क्वायर इज x स्क्वायर माइनस 3 क्यूब इज 27 and x cube is x cube. See again 3 cube is 27, x cube is x cube. Again x cube upon 27 minus here 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, again 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3. ओके मिस इजी वे 3 3 जा 9, 9 9 कट हो जाएगा. देन दिस x एंड 2x है ना तो एक x चला जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा खाली x. इथे काय राहतोय फक्त x राहतोय बघा. परत एकदा सांगतोय बघा 3 3 जा 9, 9 x स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय तर x मल्टिप्लाय बाय x. ओके डिवाइडेड बाय काय आहे बघा 9 इंटू x आहे 9 इंटू x. मग 9 9 गेट्स कॅन्सल, x x गेट्स कॅन्सल, रिमेनिंग इज x प्लस हियर दिस x and this x get cancelled, that is 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. This is the expansion of x upon 3 minus 3 upon x to the whole cube. Very easy. And this ends your 5.3 question number 1.